Hi folks, good morning from Hip Stitch. We just received a big delivery from Moda. For the sake of caution, we did spray everything down with disinfectant before opening boxes. We're being extra careful about this. We have a very small skeleton crew here, and we're keeping our social distance and keeping you safe. So let's kind of go through what we have received. Lots of grunge. Our grunge sale did end, but we've replenished our grunge, so we expect you to still shop here online. Here is a metallic we're trying out, a grunge peacock metallic, which is pretty cool. Restocked here, we have some grunge pre-cuts, peacock pre-cuts. We have Hits the Spot charm packs and jelly rolls. We have restocked on our Science Fair pattern for Cindy's Isolate and Create quilt along, which has just begun. Here's some fusible fleece. You probably don't need to see that in person. And then in these boxes we have lots and lots of grunge, like New Bellini. Someone's waiting for that. That's going to be shipped to you. Cherry, Evergreen, and more. There's probably 16 bolts right here. And then finally, we have restocked on the basics, black and white Moda Bella solids, which we've gone through very quickly. So here we are. We hope you're home sewing, doing well. Take care.